welcome to Curiously Natural. I love hair. Weaves, wigs, short hair, straight hair, curly hair, your hair, my hair, all types of hair. I'm not a professional, but hey, I try. Join me on the journey. Thank you. I'm going to use this product today. I can't wait to do a flat twist with it. I've never done it before with this. So I'm looking forward to doing that. The first one I'm going to use will be this one. I'm so excited because, as you guys know, I nicely damaged my hair. Just putting the camera back. Didn't put any product on. Let's give some life to this here. I think the shade really saved my life. Huh? Separate. My ends are always like, I don't know what's wrong. Obviously, the moisture will be evident in the curl pattern. So, look, can you see? Shea Moisture.
Sure, it will be okay. Put some more.
So at this stage, I don't know what it's going to look like, but I'm just hoping for the best. And so I coat my hands with Tresemme, that very nice oil of mine, and then I start uncoiling my hair. Y'all, the results was insane. It's absolutely crazy. I do have product residue in my hair, but I don't think it is because of the product. I think it's because of a user error, meaning me. It is my first time that I've used this product, so I did put a little bit extra. You know, I always have to go extra, extra. But as you can see, this definition is so bomb. And the flakes that was in the hair, I just shook it out afterwards, you know, just ever so lightly you can shake it out. And it was really the first time in my life that I've ever used this product. And I'm absolutely impressed with it. Like, seriously, except for the flakes, like I said, it was my error. The definition is insane. I was so nervous when I did this. I thought it was just going to be a hot mess. My hair is like really short, yeah, because I cut my hair about, I think, 2 weeks ago, because I tried to dye my hair and it came out of this color. Anyway, back to the product. My hair wasn't crunchy. It was soft. I was so excited when I saw what it actually looked like. I could not believe it, really. And you guys should definitely try this product. It's soft. The definition is bomb. It lasted. It made my hair color pop. But the oil, obviously, it lasted for quite some time, not very long. I think the next day, the curl definition was still there, but then my hair started getting like really dry or something. But I don't know, is it because of the products that I added on, or if it was because of the hair dye that was currently on my hair. I don't know what it was, but you should try this. It is a hairstyle. A flat twist takes you like, it doesn't take you long. And yeah, and then you put the stuff on your hair and you're good to go. And also moisturizes the hair. My hair felt very moisturized. Also my ends felt covered, because normally when I do a wash and go, and I try to flat twist my hair or whatever, my ends become like really, really dry unless I seal it. But with this product, I did not have that problem. I did not have to put anything else on my ends. And it is just super, super, super amazing. And I would honestly recommend this to anybody that loves a twist out. Obviously, next time I also think I would make it a bit thicker, so that I can have bouncier curls, or not bouncier, to give it a bit more volume, you know. And I also lost my Afro comb. I didn't know where it was. So, but yeah. But anyway, watch this further. Thank you. I think this is lots of pieces I've missed here, but it's okay. Okay, guys, and this is the end results. I don't know where my Afro comb is, so yeah. Like I said, my Afro comb decided to hit the road. So give your curls a good fluff from the roots upwards. I think if I'd had the comb, it would have been so much better, and the hair would have been bigger, because I love big hair. But I wasn't going anywhere. I mean, we're still under quarantine or whatever, so I was just playing around with my hair and just to see what it would look like. But as you can see, that color, it really popped there. And also you can like section the curls a little bit more for a more fuller look, if you like I tried to do here. But this product is really, really, really great. Really great. So this is the end result. So, what do you guys think? Wow. This is what my hair looks like, y'all. This thing is too bright. That's what it looks like. The back. So, Tell me what you think. If you like it, if you will try it. The star is really coconut, Palmer's protein deep treatment with coconut milk, I think. Guys, go get it. It's like not expensive. Get it at Clicks, whatever. It really brought out the color. I promise you, on Saturday when I dyed my hair, it was like completely stripped, okay? Completely stripped of oil and moisture. It had no color. There was just nothing. And I literally can't see. And now it's like there's this weird red color, okay? But it's so super cute. And yes, I had to cut my hair. Maybe it was necessary. But it's like so defined, eh? I really like it. Tell me what you think, if you also like it.